All right, let's talk about how we can make this Parmesan crusted cod fish. Let's jump right into it. Under a pound of cod, fresh cod, and then I have a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of freshly cut chives. And I'm just going to mix all three of these together and then apply it to the cod. Once all the fish is coated, I just pop it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like at the end. And I just ended up serving it to my family like this. And then I did a side of guacamole with some cucumbers. And I used some of the leftover mixture and just tossed the cucumbers in that. They enjoyed it.